Should you buy a condominium? Purchasing a condo can be great for buyers looking for a home that's cheaper than a single-family residence. However, they will sometimes include pricey monthly fees and restrictions on how you can use your space. Once you've decided that a condo is the right home for you, you should also consider several other factors that affect your ownership. When you purchase a condo, you'll own your individual unit and be responsible for its internal repairs and maintenance. The building and surrounding land, however, is usually owned by a homeowners association. That may prevent you from modifying the outside of your home or more. The price of a condo could be significantly cheaper for initial purchase, but monthly payments could be higher based on homeowners association fees. That's why it's important to research the unit before making an offer. Real estate investors frequently buy condos to rent out, as they tend to be more affordable than other properties. Nonetheless, before investing in a condo, you need to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of real estate investing. Call us at 800-605-3128 and let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.